Hi, my name is Pete Rainford and you're watching Rainford's Wood Studio, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Halloween decorations from this. Hey! Okay, so we're going to build 3 pumpkins from this piece of treated 3x3. And we're going to need a 6-inch piece, a 5-inch piece, and a 4-inch. This is an old piece of timber I've had, probably part of shelving in this shed at one point or something. There's a few holes in it here and there. I'm going to chop them off with a mitre saw to start with. Might have to fill one hole up. We've got a 6-inch piece, 5-inch piece, 4-inch piece. Fill that up with a bit of CA glue and fill that up with a bit of CA glue and some sawdust. So this hole here, we can use this as part of realism. Make it look more pumpkin. Let's do that some more. Okay, so I've just cut 3 notches into these just to give them a bit more pumpkin look, which will become more apparent when they're painted, of course. And so they're quite rough, so I'm going to hit these with 40 grit with a sander, and then I'm going to go up to 100 grit and 180, which should be plenty for these because they need to look quite rustic, so going higher is just pointless. Sanding montage. So there's a nail here. Although this is going to be painted in a minute, I'm just going to get rid of that. This is actually a nail remover. It fires a piston out of here, which will fire that in very easily. 3 pumpkins from a piece of 3x3. Just a fence post, essentially. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. If you've enjoyed my video, please consider subscribing. Thank you.